All right, it's football season, which means it's tailgate season, which means it's tailgate food season. So today we are gonna make these Tapenade Bites, which are these little roll-ups with puff pastry and tapenade and parmesan cheese, and they're so easy and so delicious, and everybody likes them because they taste a little bit like pizza. To start, I'm just gonna roll out the puff pastry dough. When it arrives, it has the lines in it because it comes folded and you unfold it. We wanna get rid of the lines and get it just a little more flat than how it started out. If you find the puff pastry sticking at all, you can put a little flour on and that helps. Okay, you're gonna see just how easy this really is. We're gonna take our tapenade and spread it on the rolled out puff pastry. Then I'm gonna top the whole thing with a generous coat of parmesan cheese. You can either use it pre-grated or freshly grate it yourself. And then we're gonna roll them up. Then starting at one end, I'm gonna roll it up. And when we get to the end, we're gonna hope that it stays stuck together. Okay, now we're gonna cut this and put it on a baking sheet. And we're gonna bake this for about 30 minutes at 425 degrees. Keep an eye on it though. If they start to get really brown and crispy, it's time to pull them. They do take a little longer than you're expecting. Okay, you'll see when you cut them, it kind of squooshes down. So when we put it onto our baking sheet, we're gonna rejigger them so they're a circle again. Leave a little space between each one on the cookie sheet so when they puff up, they don't run into each other. And I usually scrap the ends because they're not that cute. That's it. Easiest appetizer you will make this football season, and everybody loves them, so it's a win-win. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you back here next week.